Hey guys, Mark here. Look, I'm just going to do a very quick video. This is a warning video. I've just deleted my last video about Binary Circle mainly because it does repaint, and I said it didn't, and it's because when I was doing the video, it wasn't repainting at all. But for some reason or other, it started to repaint over the last couple of weeks, so I've actually stopped using it, and I'm no longer recommending it. If you want to use it, that's up to you. If I was you, I'd put a moving average in, like this is what this blue line is here, right? And then just sort your trades out. So if it's over the blue line, you're only taking call trades. If it's below, you take and sell. So you wouldn't take this trade because it's underneath. You're only looking for sell trades. But I wouldn't use it at all. I've had quite a bit of feedback from people saying they've bought it and it's a piece of shit. It doesn't work. It repaints. And all the rest of it, and they're pissed off that they've bought it. I'll apologise if I've influenced anyone in buying it. I know I've influenced 3 people, and I've apologised to them. And in fact, I refunded money to one guy because I just felt so bad for him because of the situation he was in. So I have to take responsibility for my reviews. I'm going to say going forward at the start of every single one of my videos that my advice is just general. You need to work out yourself what you want to do and how you want to go about doing it. But I could show you that it does repaint, but the markets are not running at the moment, so it won't do it. But for instance, see this dot here, that's considered as a losing dot unless you're doing binary, which is only 1 or 2 candles. But that dot, if you changed time frames, that'll disappear and it'll probably pop up here somewhere, or it'll just disappear totally. It'll may turn down here or something like that. So I'm no longer recommending Binary Circle as a good way to trade. From what 2 people have told me, you don't get very good service from this guy either. He sends you the indicator and then just basically tells you to piss off. He doesn't really care about you. He doesn't want to know from you. He's got your money and that's all he cares about. So just be aware that if you go and buy this indicator off this guy, you're going to be left high and dry from what I've been told. I mean, I didn't want to influence people either way because I did have a bad experience with him about 3 years ago. I wanted to try and do it as a fair and unbiased review, but I also had a bad experience with him, but I moved on from it. So hopefully I've cleared all that up, and I'm going to leave it there. So just be aware that my reviews going forwards are just reviews. They're not recommendations in any way, shape or form. You have to do your own diligence and do your own checking up on things, and if you want to pay for indicators, be aware that some of these people are scammers and they only want your money. They don't really care if you're, sending them the rent money or you're rich or poor or whatever. So just be aware that buying indicators, if the person who's selling that indicator, if the indicator really was the great thing that they claim it to be, they wouldn't sell it, they'd use it. I'm just going to leave it there. Hopefully that's cleared up a few things in the future. My recommendation now is that you be very careful if you buy this and trade with it. Same buying anything off Binary Tools or the Forex Tool guy, whatever his name is. From the 3 people that I've talked to that bought stuff off him, he doesn't respond. And if he does respond, he's basically telling you to piss off. Okay, so just be aware of that.